Hello, this is Paul Reiber from Freedom Motors USA up here in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we're looking at this 2012 Honda Odyssey. Really cool. It's a half cut. These are pretty rare. We don't make a whole lot of these, where the third row is the only area that's been altered, and with the wheelchair accessible area, and the first two rows have not been touched. So now this is one of our salesperson's demo at the moment. It is for sale, so it's got his personal stuff in it is all. So this is the back of it here. Okay, vision. So this was a trade-in. This is not one of our Freedom Motors packages here, but as you can see, it's a manual rear entry, and you can get an easy lock system right there. So when you're driving your wheelchair up here, you can just lock it right into place really quickly and easily, so you don't have to fuss with the straps and everything and the tie down area here. And then this seat here in the middle, the console area, that totally comes out. It pops out, so you're not totally secluded from everybody. Again, got a couple baby little ones here. So this is it's got leather seats, so you can seat 5 people here in the middle and 2 up there, so you can fit 5, and then the wheelchair, so 6 people. It's got a sunroof, leather interior, heated seats. I think it's only got 46,000 miles too. The mileage is really low mileage. Very nice van. Very nice low mileage trade-in. Super cool, really clean. It's in great shape. Power doors. Power sliding doors. Does not come with the car seats. It's just for demonstration purposes only here, so you can see what it looks like, because this is a pretty rare one. So if you're interested in purchasing this, it is available. And it's real nice. It's a real great shape. It's got rear air conditioning, power doors. And we got hundreds of vehicles to choose from. We got over 200 vans, trucks, SUVs, cars to choose from here at Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Been in business over 30 years, family-owned business. We specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles. Let me know if you got any questions about this beautiful van. Number here is 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Have a great night.